Hey guys, welcome back to Xoxo Charm. We are on the beginner style series today. So today I'm going to be making some mussels. They're so good. It's going to be in a nice garlic wine sauce with some tomatoes added. So I'll go ahead and get started, introduce the ingredients. We've got about 5 tablespoons of margarine here. We've got some lemon juice here. About 4 cloves of garlic here, about a little bit more than a half a cup of parsley here, a full cup of tomato, and about a pound of mussels. All right, and of course we can't forget our dry white wine, which in this bowl it's going to be a Chardonnay. I pick up the regular Barefoot brand, but you guys can get whatever you want. Let's get started. All right, so now that this has come to a simmer, the white wine, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We're gonna add our 5 tablespoons of butter. We'll throw in our lemon juice as well. And we will throw in our garlic. And we will let the butter melt down first. It'll be on for a few minutes and then we'll move to the next step. That was step 2. We'll move on to step 3 next. All right guys, so now the butter has melted down. We've got some nice aromas in here. We'll turn it down just a little bit more, but now it's time to add our mussels. All right. And then stir it in there. Just kind of get those juices in there and flowing. We are steaming these mussels, so as I stated before, about a cup and a half of wine is good. We're gonna let this cook for about, turn it back up to 5. We'll let it cook for about 3 more minutes before we go ahead and toss in our tomatoes and our parsley. The reason that we're doing that is because the tomatoes and parsley, it takes really a short amount of time to cook. So we want to go ahead and let this cook a little bit more first since it takes longer. Throw these in there and then we'll wrap it up. Take your lid off. We are ready to throw in our tomatoes as well as our parsley. Stir it in here. Get a nice good stir in there. It's got so much flavor in it and it's so delicious. And then another thing that I like to do, I like to add just a little bit of black pepper. This is optional and this is to taste, of course. So I will go ahead and throw in some of my pepper here. All right, that's it. That's the last step. Thanks guys.